So for today, we're going to compare two popular frameworks for building cross-platform desktop applications, which is the Electron and Tori. So we'll look at their strengths, weaknesses, and use case so you can decide which one suits your project best. So in Electron, it uses Chromium and Node.js, which means your app runs in a full-fledged browser instance. It is popular with apps like Visual Studio Code and Discord built on it. What are the pros? It has a high or rich ecosystem, a consistent rendering, and lots of community support. And what are the cons? The cons are high memory consumption and its large file sizes. And its security can be concerned due to Node.js integration. So, while in Tori, unlike Electron, Tori uses the system's native web view. It's written in Rust. And what are the pros? So, the pros are smaller binaries, often under 10 megabytes, and a lower memory usage. And the cons are rendering inconsistencies across platforms since it will depend on the system's web view. And their difference is Electron is great if you need consistent rendering and fast development, while Tori is the go-to choice for lightweight security apps with low memory usage. And to sum that up, choose Electron for rich UI applications or when you need established community support, and choose Tori for smaller, performance-focused applications, and that's their comparison.